Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to run down a network diagnosis in the Turbo VPN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left, and then just click on the settings button, and then here just click on the network diagnosis button, and it usually takes a couple of seconds to do this. So just wait for it, and once it's ready you can request a feedback and just let them know what went wrong, and then you will receive a feedback as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.